Alia Bhatt and Shahid Kapoor were present along with the director Vikas Behal at the song launch event of Shandar. Shahid and Alia also danced to the tunes of the song, spoke about the movie and shared their experiences of working with each other. Vikas also shared his experience of working with Shahid and Alia.
You know, I'll be very honest. The Gulabo was the first song जो मैं और शाहिद साथ में dance करने वाले थे and shooting and everything. So I was damn nervous, like because I'm dancing next to Shahid. He doesn't even even he puts 10% energy, it looked like he's putting 100% energy. So I was very nervous because I wanted to be like, okay, at least match up to him. Shahid also really helped me. That you can ask Bosco will second me on this. That there were moments where I was crying and saying, Bosco, why these steps, Bosco? He used to call me penguin feet. Okay, Alia and her happy feet. Because I just didn't know what to do, and Shahid would be like, okay, babe, just slow down. Why are you doing that? Look at the energy, look at the mood, do that, do that. So he really helped me. So Shahid...
She's right, she did cry, and I think because the tears might just make the song.
Alia was not comfortable when this bikini shot was happening.
It was -2 degrees the way we shot the bikini.
The beach that they chose, which looks like any beach in India, which was -2 degrees when they shot there. And everybody was only freezing. I was actually wearing a ganji and I was wearing pants, but like I was bare feet and I was dying, so I can only imagine what happened. In fact, we have some footage on the making of this film with Alia trying to give the bikini shot because she was told it's a mid shot, so she took her dungarees down only till here. So when they panned down, her entire dungarees were still there. So it was very, very cold. When
it was, but I feel
it's going to come out in the making.
Will it? So then you'll see also. But for me, once the camera comes on, it's like anything can happen. That was nothing. Me and Shahid, actually, there's a sequence in the film where we were swimming in like minus how many degrees water?
-5.
-5. And we were very cold.
And we spent 2 days in there. And so basically, Vikas had this very big smile on his face throughout that day. And I was wondering कि इतनी खुशी क्यों दिखा रहा है? So we actually discovered that the water was -5, which is why he was trying to keep it so warm and happy because he knew what he's going to put us through.
Yeah, Vikas would come from the hill and say, it's not that cold, na? You're fine, na? With muffler, jacket, socks, everything. And we are like, yeah bro, we're fine. We're cool.
I told Vikas, एक बार पानी में हाथ तो डाल. तुझे क्या पता? मुझे ठंडी नहीं लगती है. तू wrong आदमी से बात कर रहा है. But he didn't put his hand inside that water. Ever.
No, but Alia said, what are we doing about this water? So I told her, वो जो पुराने ज़माने वो गीज़र के वो नहीं आते थे, वो हीटर इलेक्ट्रिक डालने वाले पानी में, वो हम सब तरफ डाल रहे हैं. तो पानी हम गर्म करके रखेंगे तुम्हारे लिए. And she believed it also. She thought in that waterfall we're going to put those hot
क्या कर रहे हो यार? अभी बंद हुआ है. फिर से चालू मत करो.
So here's another one.
Actually, you know, he cast her without me even knowing about it. I don't know how, I think he met her through Mukesh Chabra. Yeah, so I think without telling me, my sister was wanting to be an actor and she was trying to figure out what to do, and she had gone and met Mukesh Chabra, and I think she met him and auditioned for the role even before I knew about it. And in fact, he called me up. Vikas called me up one day and said that guess who's playing Alia's sister in the film? And it's a really important role. You know, this film, it's me and Alia, yes, but there are a lot of really interesting characters which play very important roles in this film. And that's one of those roles. And he told me that my sister is going to be playing Alia's sister in the film. And I was actually shocked for a bit because you know how it is about younger sisters. You always feel like they've not grown up. So you feel like abhi to time hai, abhi to bachchi hai. But very amazingly, I think her and Alia actually kind of look like siblings somehow. I don't think you and me look like siblings at all, but somehow my sister and you. Maybe if you grow up here.
And actually the amazing thing was that she came and auditioned without telling anyone who she is, where she from. She came like any normal person auditioned, she got selected, and after that we got to know who she is. And that's when I called Shahid and I told her that it's your sister who will be playing that.
And
मेरा real यही है. सब लोग नाचते हैं, गाते हैं, खेलते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं, गंद फैलाते हैं. ये real सिनेमा ही है. इसका तो real क्या
it's
होगा?
all inspired from Vikas Behal's personal experiences.
You feel like she's a female version of Ranveer Singh and
Who?
that Alia.
Maybe she's not.
She's not that.
I don't think she's a female version of Ranveer Singh. We would definitely not be sharing this chemistry.
Okay.
I can promise you that. Our mustaches would have only been stuck together. She's an original girl. Her name is Alia Bhatt, and she's very original.
No, I'll be honest, I'm just too excited, yeah. When it's my film now, it's like my baby. I just get so excited. There are days where I'm like very low on energy also. I'm a normal human being.
But
I'm not always like this.
there are days that you have where your battery is up and battery is down.
Correct.
But when battery is, जब battery charge रहती है तो आलिया ऐसी रहती है.